Hey everybody, welcome to another exciting episode of Geocaching with the Komikino and the Kid. Today we're going to be doing something unique. We're going to be disabling a couple caches, Kid. We have a couple caches up on top of Alpha Hill here at Brightwater Park. That's right, they're going to be closing off the hill. Nobody's allowed up there, but they are giving us permission to go up there and retrieve the caches that we hit up there. So you ready to go up the hill there, Kid, for the last time, possibly, maybe?
Yeah.
Which is sad. But since these caches are Red Dwarf themed, we're going to do it in Smegging style. Let's go! Okay, Kid. Our request, if you're willing to accept it, and you've got to because you're here with me, we have to go up on top of the hill there and retrieve our two Red Dwarf themed puzzle caches. That's right, I dislike puzzle caches so much that I have 7 puzzle caches. How about that? And 2 of them are up here on top of Alpha Hill, the hill that they're going to be closing down and going to keep everybody out of because they need to do some nature conservation around here. There's water runoff from the hill going into the creek, and they don't want that going on. So it's going to be closed off. They're going to wall it off, which means there's going to be no way to get up there to get the caches. So we've got to go up there right now, Kid, and get those. And why are you over there trying to run away? You're going to get your exercise and Smeg and enjoy it. So let's go. Man, I forgot how steep this thing is. You got to go up to the top. Criminy. Okay, found the location where the cache is. I kind of forgot what tree you put it on. So I had to search around for a bit, even to find my own cache. And lucky for me, it's still there. So, here we go. Can you find the cache? There it is. There we go. And I dropped it. It's Arnold Rimmer's Light Bee, and I dropped it again. So there we go. 1 cache rescued. Wow, now I got to go get the cat geocache. But I got to find the kid, to let her know this one's safe. And then we still have a little bit of hiking to go. The cat cache is way down on the other side over there. As you can see, there's a little trail here that leads out to it, but it's still with that big hike up the hill and the extra distance you now have to go from here where the Arnold Rimmer cache was out there to the cat cache. I can see why that one's been found less than the second Arnold Rimmer cache that I just retrieved the cache from. So maybe this is a good thing because cache maintenance on these two has always been difficult because having to go up the hill there and then look in that tree to find where somebody placed the cache if they didn't put it in the right place. Gotta make these cache hides a little bit easier for me. Wow. I found somebody's Naruto hat, so I'm gonna leave it right there so maybe they can find it and claim it. Oh geez. Wow, this place has really been overgrown. 153 feet of walking through this garbage. Ah, geez. If all else fails, might as well take the tracks there instead of walking through all that garbage. Jeez. We're now 39 feet, and here we go. I think this is another way in. Now I have to remember which tree it was under. Found it. It's right down here under that little piece of wood. There we go. A nice golf ball cache. I figured a golf ball would be fitting because in a couple episodes of Red Dwarf, they were playing golf. And the cat has a very unique way of playing golf by throwing his club instead of trying to hit the ball. So that's always fun. So there we go. My 2 caches here have been retrieved. Now I'm going to go back and get the kid. And I'm going to go ahead and try and go out the way that I avoided. You can see why this is so nasty. Blackberries all over the place. If anything, I'm not going to miss coming out here for maintenance. So this is probably a good thing. Now, I was talking with the directors here at Brightwater today to make sure it was okay to come out here to get these caches. And they were telling me that they might be making a trail system out of those train tracks that we were on. So this way it's like a trails to park type of a thing where they'll put a bike trail out there, a running trail, jogging trail. So that way you can go from here to wherever else they're going to connect to. And also, they might add and expand to the northern section of the park, which would be really cool because then there'll be more of this park to enjoy. And as you know, I really love this park. This park is great, it's awesome, it's beautiful. It's been a big part of our lives since we moved out here. And from the introduction to my geocaching show, that was filmed out here. A lot of scenes from my GIFF movies, the Geocaching International Film Festival movies, were filmed out here. I filmed product review videos out here. I filmed a lot of things out here. I come out here on the weekends to play Pokemon Go. When my daughter and I want to go to a park, we'll choose this one here or the one up by our place. But this one here has all the parks beat, hands down. So I'm really going to miss the opportunity to come out here and go hiking up Alpha Hill. But I guess it's got to happen. So I'm sad, but I'm happy that they're going to be doing something with it to help preserve the area. So I'm sad but happy. Hey kid, thanks for the support. Jeez. Going to miss this park and the views. Not going to miss the noise of all the cars though. But yeah, my kid and I sledded down the hill here once. One of the greatest sled rides ever. Yeah! We're gonna hit the ditch. Oh. Yeah! That was awesome, kid. That was so much fun. But then in order to come back up, we'd have to walk up through that snow, and we were like, not gonna do that again. But at least we did it once, and it's the experience of that I will remember. But thank you, Brightwater Park, for this awesome hill that we got to enjoy many, many times. And allowing me to put the caches up here too. That was great. It's good that you know about geocaching and you helped out the geocaching community. 83 finds on the second Arnold River cache and 81 on the cat cache. Oh gosh. Now we got to go down the hill. Jeez. Maybe it's a blessing, you know. All right, kid, that's enough sitting around. Let's get out of here. Somehow. Catching Pokemon, kid?
Yeah.
Okay, we're at a location here where scouted it out over the weekend. The spot is open. Gonna hide the second Arnold River cache at this location out here. So at least one will be reactivated here, but I have to redo the puzzle for it. But that's okay. I'll get over it. So here we go. Let's go hide this cache. We're at a location here where I can go ahead and hide this cache, the second Arnold River cache, because the first Arnold River cache is doing Smeg great. And I'm going to hide this cache here in this tree that I scouted out over the weekend. It's one of the only remaining spots here in the park that doesn't have anything within
the 528-foot radius.
Here we go. Ta-da! And there we go. At least one cache is going to be reactivated here shortly after I get all the coordinates and stuff there for it and redo the puzzle. The cat cache, I have no idea because there's no spots left available in the park, kid.
Yeah.
Going to have to hide it like across the street or something there. Oh well. Life goes on. So thanks for joining us here as we came out to Brightwater Park, challenged Alpha Hill for possibly the last time to retrieve our caches, and also find a new spot here for one of them to be reactivated. Thanks for watching, and who knows where we'll be caching next, you smeggers? Until then...
Cash on. Oh.
Cash on! How are we going to do that one? 1, 2, 3. Cash on!